Everyone, so today I am going to be showing you these foldable stackable bins, and I've tried, where's the last one? A few different brands of these, and I love them. And I love the big size because you could fit so much stuff in them. So I just wanted to show you. I already took them out of the box. So two of them have plastic on them, but one of them I did already open up. So before I go ahead and open them and show you how to easily install them, I just want to show you that if you're not using them, you just deassemble them, and then they easily could be stored underneath your bed because they are super flat. So let me just show you how easy it is to assemble them. So this one is, I think it's the 19-gallon one. It's the larger one. And they do have different colors of these. But this is the gray and the white. But this is all you do is you open up the four corners or the four doors. And then you just snap. You'll hear a snap or a click. Like the top and the bottom of each side. 1, 2. So that part is assembled. And then it comes with the top. This part does have two pieces. You could just stick both parts on, but if you were curious, you could just click this one and this will hold it all nicely in place. And then this is the lid, and that's installation. It's literally that easy. And what's nice about this is you could either put stuff in here through the front doors. You could also put stuff in through the top by lifting off the lid. So that's one bin that is assembled. You can see here, there's these indentions for them because each one has these rollers. They're small, but if you were on a hard surface and you needed to move them, you can move them one way. You can't move it back, but side to side. So it makes them easier to move. I've never used this brand before, but they're very similar to other brands that I've used in the past. And so far, I don't notice much of a difference. And they have the frosted plastic, so you can't really see what's in here, so you could hide all your stuff. And then they have handles on the side, so they're easy to lift, and they stack and they won't fall apart. I don't have to take up any valuable storage in my closet. And then lastly, I just wanted to show you, they could really fit in any room. This is the kitchen, and they just look great. And I love that the tops are flat and sturdy, so you could add decorative items. I have a plant, a big candle, and then this heavy metal item. It could hold a lot of weight, and it just could go in bedrooms, kitchens, toy rooms, literally anywhere. So far, I'm liking this, and I pretty much have nothing bad to say about it. It is exactly what I expected it to do. It's easy assembly, it looks good, the plastic seems sturdy. So if you're looking for storage bins, I would recommend checking these out.